Extreme weather continues for us, starting out with your morning temperatures. This is what you're going to find on the thermometer when you get in the car in the morning hours, but it doesn't tell the whole story, remember. Single digits to a lot of us, already at 0 when you factor in winds out of the west-northwest as high as 13 miles per hour for us in Elyria, 12 miles per hour in Worcester, 14 miles per hour in Canton. It actually feels like this. 10 below Cleveland, faring a bit better than some, like 17 below for what it feels like in Worcester. Wind chill temperature in Mansfield at 16 below, 11 below Norwalk, 14 below if you're waking up in Summit County, Akron for you. Portage County, 13 below in Ravenna. These extremes will be here all day long. That's one thing that is different about this particular next kind of Arctic plunge. We're used to the mornings being the battleground for the cold. Well, your wind chill advisory in place until 8 p.m. tonight, with those wind chills staying in the teens and possible 20 below for the afternoon hours as well. And that's for all of Northeast Ohio. We're not the only ones finding the extreme changes, alongside a little light snow too. You can see that cold air diving well farther south, which just means it's only going to get even colder as we push towards Friday. Wanted to show you how many different wind chill warnings and advisories are in place for us. Currently advisory, soon to be a warning here past tonight for us, even here in Northeast Ohio. But the grays are all your warnings. Your lighter blue, your teal color are all the advisories. So this is a widespread chill. So if you think you're going to outrun it, you're going to have to make your way well west to do so. Maybe Arizona. Go and watch what's going on with the Indians. All right, so 17 below is what we expect the extreme to be at here this morning. 18 below in Elyria, 16 below in Ashtabula. Now remember, we keep that cold into the afternoon hours. Still well below 0, so if you're thinking the kids may get cooped up inside, today is not the day to try and venture out, nor is tomorrow. This weekend is when that warmer air tries to move back in, and that's the time to venture out back with the family, because tomorrow is dangerous. Today is too, but tomorrow is critical as we sit 25 below in Cleveland, 27 below in Worcester, 26 below in Mansfield. That's for the start of your Friday morning, which will even possibly close workplaces as well, rather than just schools and daycares. So that warning is in place starting at 8 p.m. Again, wind chills as cold as 30 below. Here's a bit of light snowfall. We do have some moderate more pockets trying to show up in Cuyahoga, but really today is more about the extreme cold. The snow not expected to pile up. Yesterday's amounts, Jackie, were only at about 1 inch to 2 at the very most. Today will be less than 1 inch. And I'll talk